Hello, I'm Andrew from the Netherlands, and today I'm going to review the Denon a10se a10se. Look at this monster. And this thing, let me start first with the weight. This thing weighs 21 kilo. It's gold. I put on top my a10se tuner, the silver one, so you can see that it is really gold colored. And well, it is fantastic looking. Well, I have this thing for already 6 months in my house, and to be honest, I thought that this amp, because it is a amplifier, 5.1 amplifier, 120 watt a channel, yeah, 1999 THX. This thing was really its time far ahead, and well, it was a very expensive amplifier. The price was 2,500 German mark. Very expensive, top class. Well, it was sold as a top class amplifier, okay? But I'm not using the 5.1, I'm using only the stereo because I have a stereo channel. I am a stereo lover, I don't like 5.1, so I will test on stereo. And here, this is how you write it, a10se. It looks ugly, but it's just dirt. You can see it, this thing is mint. It is mint, and I bought it very cheap. And I bought it so cheap that I thought, okay, I keep this thing as my, well, as my amplifier for my computer. But I didn't test it. I thought this thing is good. Very good sound, because a Denon, a very expensive Denon, so it has to be good. That's what my first thoughts were, yeah. And then one of my friends came in my house, and he loved the thing so much. And then I asked him, "You want to buy it?" And he said yes. I said, "Okay, I give you a special price because you are one of my best friends." And he was so happy. He said, "Really, you want to sell it to me?" I said, "Yeah, you're my good friend, man. I've got plenty of these things." So what happened? We connect this thing to my speakers, to 4 speakers. And both of us were very disappointing. The sound is so thin. There is no, well, believe me or not, it sounds bad. This thing is not a good stereo amplifier. It is so, this thing is so beautiful. Look at this. I was in love. I am a vintage lover. You know, all you guys know how much I like vintage. How I always prefer vintage than the newer stuff. But really, this amp is so beautiful. Look at this selector switch. Gold. Everything is gold. Look at this. This thing really breathes quality. But, well, it isn't quality. Well, maybe it is quality, but in stereo, really the sound sucks. And, well, here you have a bass, a treble, and I liked it from a receiver, from a modern receiver, that it have the bass and the treble in front, yeah. And here, of course, it have everything, channel volume, yeah, surround mode, but we only play on stereo. As you see, it's standing on stereo. And listen to this tinny sound on my MB quad speakers, and I will put, well, 0 is the middle, and I put 8 stripes extra, yeah, maximum is 12 stripes, yeah, 0 is the middle, I put 8 stripes extra, and treble I leave on 0, okay. So listen to the sound of this tuner. And what I also don't like is that in a normal amp, when this is 0, yeah, this is half. And then you have a power. If this was a normal volume knob, you would have a powerful sound now, because it is 2 times 120 watt. Yeah, I could not even play on half. Yeah, but to get on half, you have to spin 1, 2, well, three times. And I don't understand these people, why they make volume knobs like this. What's wrong with these people? Well, the design is okay, yeah? Gold, beautiful looking, nice spread from the knobs, bass and treble knob in front, beautiful. But what's wrong with the technical guys? Why they make a volume knob like this? Do you understand it? I don't. It is the most stupid thing you can do. Just make it like it always been. Just no to 10. You know exactly where your volume knob is. What's wrong with the old system? Believe me guys, sometimes I really think, well, all these expensive brands, what's wrong with these guys? Yeah, to make it exclusive, blah blah blah. But I have more of these receivers, also Harman Kardon and the newer Pioneer, the new lines of modern amps. They have this system, and I don't like this system. It is really stupid. Believe me, please guys from Denon, Harman Kardon, don't do this anymore. It is stupid. Yeah. Okay. Well, this thing is not a very good stereo. No, it is a bad stereo amplifier. Really, listen to these reggae songs. And let me put it on. This goes easy. Perfect CD. Yeah. And here we have some reggae. Wait a minute, let me put some more power here. Okay, this is on max. And well, look at this beautiful Akai 2680, 2650 tuner. Well, my most favorite tuner all times. Really, I so much love this tuner. And but yeah, today I am for the amplifier test, and I do it with my Samsung MP3 files. Okay.
Just believe technology. Now let them set we up. Technology sets we up. We ask who's calling me from an unknown number. We no answer, no unknown number.
Wait the town and tell the people about the Middle East coming your way.
And I got no place on my knees and pray, boy. Love me, and I know now.
And don't forget, I play now on maximum bass. Yeah, maximum bass, completely open. Yeah, okay.
No, no, no. You don't.
Whoa. Them say ain't not your dreadlocks. Where you come from? You must have to speak a sense on. Another mistreat, you know. The mistreat, you know. Another desert, you know. This man came this nation, and because of that, certain people tell me for more. Yes. Rastaman, no work with the BEA. No. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Can't you see?
Well, I'm so disappointed in this amplifier. I really thought I would keep it for my computer just because of the beauty, and I was convinced that the sound was good because of the new price tag. The way these guys from Denon put this amp in the market with a very high price tag. Okay, it is a 5.1 receiver, but you may expect that a receiver so expensive, 21 kilo, that it would do also good in stereo. So if you are looking for a stereo amplifier, yes, forget the Denon a10se a10se, because it is a very bad receiver in stereo. But beautiful design, gold. I love this color, really. This is what I like from designers, when they try to make it so expensive, looking so expensive than it already is. Yes, and what I don't understand is the volume knob. Stupid system. What I also don't understand is why it sounds so bad in stereo. Okay, probably in 5.1 it will sound good, maybe perfect, I don't know. I don't test on 5.1, but in stereo, really, if you're looking for a stereo amplifier, don't take this one. Really, you would be very, well, it's not a nice sounding stereo amplifier, and really for that price tag, yes, very expensive. And you can expect at least from Denon, they make a 5.1 who also plays good in stereo, but this thing doesn't play good in stereo at all. Don't buy it if you need it for stereo. Yeah, if you need it for your, well, your 5.1, I think it will be a very good receiver for 5.1. Yes, but look at this beautiful selector switch. This guy thought about everything. Beautiful. Look at this. I really love the looks of this thing. What's this? Well, home THX cinema, as you can see, and tape monitor, tape 2 monitor, standby, remote sensor. Where's the remote? I will show you the remote. Beautiful piece. Look at this. And the funny thing of this remote control is that it is brand new. That's because the guy used a Philips Pronton remote control. Well, let's take the Pronton. Let me show you this Pronton remote control. Look at this. The guy used all the time from the start on this remote control. And well, let me see how the thing works. Well, I think the battery is empty. Yeah, the battery is empty. But it is a, well, it is a touch screen remote control. Capacitive touch screen. It was 500 German mark back in 1999, and you can find these things on the, well, on the second-hand market in the Netherlands. The Philips Pronto, yeah, Pronto. Look at this. This is how you write it. Yeah, you have different types of Pronto, and well, this thing cost about, with a loader, this thing have a loader, yeah, a loader which goes in the electricity, and if it doesn't come with a loader, you can buy them for 25 euro. If it comes with a loader, it's much better, because this thing uses a lot of battery power, and so you have to change all the time your batteries. So when it comes with a loader, you don't have this problem. But it is dirty now. It is dirty, it is empty, and well, this guy used this remote control, and that's why the original is so new. Look at this, brand new. Where you can find a 15 years old amplifier with a brand new, look at this, beautiful. But anyway, the remote is, well, the remote is not very nice, but anyway, the thing looks fantastic, but the stereo sound is not good. It also doesn't have gold-plated connections, not gold-plated. So, and that's also what I don't like from this receiver. But okay, the looks are fantastic, design is fantastic. Probably in 5.1 it is a good amplifier, but forget the stereo. Don't never buy this thing if you need. Don't take Well, this guy on YouTube, this vintage stereo guy, what does he know? I read all these reviews, and all these reviews say it is a good stereo or a good amplifier. Well, guys, just buy it. Don't believe me, buy it. But you will see the thing is not suitable for stereo. Sorry to say, for these guys who own this Denon and use it for stereos, and they think they have a good sound, it is a bad amplifier for stereo. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and for now I say bye bye.